In this video, we're going to replace the ignition coil on this 2012 Mitsubishi Outlander. To get down to our ignition coils, we're going to have to take off this top engine cover. You get 4 10mm bolts or Phillips head screws. We're going to use a 10mm socket. Go ahead and lift that up. Put that aside. So we're going to replace this ignition coil here. You have an electrical connector and a 10mm bolt. We're going to go ahead and take off the electrical connector. Just push down on the clip and pull straight back. Try not to pull from the wire, pull from the clip itself. You may need a pick tool or a small flathead to get in between here. There you go, just check that connector, make sure it's clean, no corrosion. Set it aside. I'm going to head now and undo the 10mm bolt here. And you're going to want to try and get a little leverage under it and under the clip and just pull straight up and out. Now we're going to go ahead and install our new ignition coil. You just want to put that straight down, line up the holes, and on the back side here, your spark plug is going to seat into that. So you're going to have to put a little bit of downward pressure. Just a little wiggle and push. Go ahead and reinstall your 10mm bolt. And reconnect your electrical connection. So now we're going to go ahead and replace our engine cover. Let's go ahead and line up your bolt holes. With your 10mm socket, go ahead and tighten those back down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.